Hello everybody right there, this is your friend JP right here in another video, and as you can see here I'm with the Christmas tree and the Christmas lights. I'm with the Christmas spirit, yes, and you should be too. And in today's video I'm gonna talk to you about 5 expressions, yes of course, 5 expressions you guys can use it with as, not with the part of your body. Remember that, please, and be careful. It's with the as, something as, and then you compare it with something else. You're gonna see what I'm talking about. Let's go right there. And the first expression for today is as cool as a cucumber. So what's the meaning of that expression? It means that you're cool. One person is cool, is fresh, relaxed. For example, my father is as cool as a cucumber. He's relaxed, he's super nice, and he's cool. The second expression for today is as busy as a bee. What's the meaning of that? It's when a person is busy and doesn't have much time for many other things. For example, my boss, right, is as busy as a bee. He's having meetings, he's been traveling, he's been attending conferences and more. So he's as busy as a bee. Super busy, doesn't have much time. The third expression for today is as fit as a fiddle. What's the meaning of that? First of all, a fiddle is like a violin type, alright, which is relatively small, thin, a little bit skinny, you know, like in comparison to a person, right? So let's put it into an example. My friend, after going to the gym for 6 months, he is as fit as a fiddle. He was fat, now he's not. He's slim, he's thin. The fourth expression for today is as good as gold. This expression means that something is good, something is really good. You know, gold, many people value that, and that's the idea. For example, that pizza I ate yesterday was as good as gold, was really good, really delicious, super yummy. And the fifth and final expression for today is as white as snow. What's the meaning of that? It means that something is white, really white. For example, my t-shirt, right? My t-shirt is as white as snow, similar to the wall. The wall is as white as snow. So when something is really, really white, you use the expression. This is it. This is all. I hope you guys like these 5 expressions with as, and then something, and then as, in order for you to compare. Okay, these are pretty interesting expressions. Use it as much as you can. So we're gonna see us each other in another video, guys. Thank you. Bye bye.